If you've ever tried to create the same AI character across multiple images, only to end up with totally different faces every time, you're in the right video. In this video, I'll tell you everything you need to know about generating consistent AI characters so that you can actually generate the same looking characters in every image. When talking about AI image generation, most people will tell you that all you need to do is play around with your prompts, like tweak a few words, add some details, and you'll eventually get what you want. I used to believe that too. I'd write the same prompt over and over, hoping the AI would remember my character's face, hairstyle, and overall vibe. But it never worked. I'd waste hours trying to recreate the same person, only to end up with a slightly different version each time. Sometimes older, sometimes younger, and sometimes a completely different human being altogether. But after generating thousands of images, I finally cracked the code. And in the next couple of minutes, I'll show you how you can also create consistent characters across any image, no matter the scene, the pose, or even the outfit. These are the 3 methods that actually work and will save you so much time and frustration. Before we jump into the methods, it's important to understand why consistency is such a challenge in the first place. Here's the thing. AI, especially content generation AIs, treat each generation as a completely new task. Every time you hit generate, it doesn't actually remember your last output. So even if you use the exact same prompt, the AI isn't referencing your previous image. It's starting over from 0. That's why you'll never get identical results just by reusing prompts. You might get something close, but never perfectly consistent. Luckily, I discovered a tool that changed everything for me. It's called Image Editor, and here's what makes it different. Instead of starting from scratch every time, it lets you upload a driving image. So basically your reference photo of the character you want to keep consistent. Then you can tell the AI what you want to change, like the background, outfit, or pose, and the AI will generate new images while preserving your character's main features. So unless you specifically tell it to change how the character looks, the face, proportions, and overall identity will stay exactly the same. That's the secret behind consistency. All right, now let's get into the 3 methods I mentioned earlier to generate consistent AI characters from just one image. 1. Make sure your base or reference image has good lighting, a centered face, and minimal distractions. The clearer your original image, the easier it is for the AI to understand the key facial structure and keep it consistent in future generations. Next one is, you need a tool that allows you to preserve your character's features. I personally use Magic Hour's AI image editor because it keeps the character's identity intact, even when I completely change the setting or outfit. It's super intuitive and doesn't require a complicated setup, which make it perfect even for beginners. I've left the link in the description box below, so you can try it out yourself. Last one is the secret hack people won't tell you, but I will, because it's easy to do and will change the game. Once you've generated a few images you like, save them and reuse them as new driving images for different scenarios. This creates a visual chain that strengthens your character's consistency over time. Think of it like training the AI with your own mini dataset, with each image reinforcing the same identity. It's crazy how easy this process has become. Just a few months ago, generating consistent AI characters felt almost impossible. Now, with the right tools and a bit of know-how, you can build an entire world around a single character that looks perfectly the same in every image. As always, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more AI updates and creative tests.